Hi, and welcome back to Park Superior Sales. Today we're taking a look at this 2022 Lincoln Nautilus MK Coach Legacy Hearse Radiant Silver colorway with a silver vinyl tuxedo top. Beautiful coach here, all-wheel drive, 37,000 miles on this coach. Let's start up front with some of the features and options. Two-way purple strobes in your front grille, and you got two-way round clear fender strobes as well to give you that high visibility on your service day. Fender strobes are great for when you're passing through an intersection, giving you the high visibility when being seen when leading a procession and going to a service. As you can see, it's got a black pinstripe on this vehicle, radiant silver colorway, super nice. Great to have the all-wheel drive capability on this coach. Madagascar casket floor here in the casket compartment. As you can see, it's got a closed church truck with a flip-up lid to be able to store the church truck upright, or if you want to lay it down and slide it away if you so wish. Umbrella storage up front if you want, or you also could keep your pamphlets, flyers, flags, anything that you might need for your service. That can also be stored there as well. Nice simple door card here, but this coach is going to be fully reconditioned through our reconditioning process here at Park Superior Sales, so this car will be 100% turnkey and service ready the day it arrives at your funeral home. So as we come around to the rear load door, open this on up, you get a nice look at that Madagascar casket floor here. And you do have a bit of a recessed rear load door here, so if you're a larger pallbearer, you're able to have some more room to hand that casket on or enter the casket into the coach very easily. So as you can see here, you got 10 rollers and a stationary beer pin up front. The wheel boxes are in great shape. As you can see, no really rips or gashes from the caskets coming in and out of here. Quick adjustable release beer pin stored on the left-hand side. And you do have some nice panel lighting fixtures here on the left and right-hand side, with 6 LED lighting fixtures all along the roof headliner, really making the casket compartment glow. So as you can see, it's a gray titanium casket compartment, and it really looks great with this radiant silver colorway. But as we shut this rear load door, you do have a backup camera integrated into this rear, and you do have backup sensors as well, which is really nice, so anyone at your funeral home can move around this coach with confidence. As you move around to the driver's side here, get a nice look at the 18-inch OEM Lincoln wheels here, and we'll open up door number 2 on the driver's side, where your spare tire will be stored, and the tool and jack kit as well. And you do have a flip-up lid, so you can easily get that tire out and not have to fight with it. But the Madagascar casket flooring looks great with this colorway, in my opinion, and a very clean door card and partition. As we jump around to the driver's compartment, as we jump inside this 2022 Lincoln Nautilus, push button start. Super nice. You got all the little bells and whistles you could want up front here. Heated seats here, and you do have all the touchscreen amenities you may want. It's very highly responsive touchscreen. Engage the vehicle in reverse. You're going to get that backup camera popping right up onto your screen here, so you could move around this coach with confidence, and anyone at the funeral home can do so. Easily throw it in park, easily like that. And you have all the options you could want. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You do have Bluetooth, FM, AM, Sirius satellite radio, all the features and options you could want. If I could just turn this down a bit. And then you have a ton of features and options on the steering wheel. Volume control, cruise adaptation, hands-free, Bluetooth speaking experience when you're on the telephone. Very nice. And you do have a switch right here to engage the two-way purple strobes up front and your round fender strobes, so you could be seen on your service day given that high visibility. But as you can see, black leather wrap steering wheel, super nice, big touchscreen infotainment system, all the bells and whistles. I'd like to get some more information on this 2022 all-wheel drive Lincoln Nautilus MK Coach Legacy Hearse with 37,000 miles. Please give us a call at 1-800-229-5008, or you can check out 80+ studio photos, a walk-around video, and this video that you're viewing right now at www.parksuperior.com. Thanks so much, and we look forward to hearing from you.